I'm going to show you how to apply an adjustable buckle for a bag strap. This is the strap I'm going to use. First, put the strap through the side buckle, up and over the middle bar, then add the D-ring, secure the end of the strap with clips, and sew across. Reach the other end of the strap, making sure that the strap is not twisted. Put the strap through the D-ring. Make sure again it's not twisted, and put it through the slide buckle. You'll need to make a bit of space. You'll have to put the end of the strap right between the strap and the middle bar. Turn it as long as you need it to be able to sew it. Secure it with clips and sew across.